Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us discuss the top common 100 multiple choice questions about computer related department abbreviations. Thus, questions are important for any upcoming exams. Let's see each question one by one. The first question, what is the full form of CPU? A. Central Processing Unit. B. Core Processing Unit. C. Computer Personal Unit. D. Central Processing Unit. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. The second question, what is the full form of HCI? A. Human-computer interaction. B. Human-centered interface. C. High computer integration. D. Human component integration. The full form of HCI is Human-computer interaction. 3. What does HTTP stands for? A. High Text Transfer Protocol. B. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. C. Hyperlink Transmission Protocol. D. Hypertext Transport Protocol. HTTP stands for B. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, the protocol that used for browsers. 4. What does IPv4 stands for? IPv4 stands A. Internet Protocol version 4. B. Internet Protocol version 4. B. Internet Procedure version 4. C. Internet Protocol version 5. D. Internet Protection version 4. IPv4 stands for Internet Protocol version 4. 5. What does kbps stands for? Kilobyte per second, kilobits per second, kilobit per second, kilobytes per second. The correct answer is B. kbps in computer term, which is kilobits per second. 6. ROM stands for read-only memory, random-only memory, read-only memory, read-open memory. The correct answer is A. Read-only memory, not ready-only memory. A is the correct answer. 7. ALU stands for A. Arithmetic Load Unit. B. Automatic Logic Unit. C. Arithmetic Logic Unit. D. Advanced Logic Unit. ALU, which is the part of CPU which stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. 8. What is the full form of IDE? Integrated Development Environment, Interactive Development Environment, Integrated Design Environment, Intended Development Environment. The correct answer is A. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment in Computer Programming Editors or Setups. 9. The full form of HDDE, Hard Data Drive, Hard Disk Device, Hard Disk Drive, Heavy Data Drive. The full form of HDD, which is storage, the secondary storage device, which stands for Hard Disk Drive. 10. The full form of USB is Universal Serial Bus, Unified System Board, Universal System Backup, Unique Serial Board. The correct answer is C, which is a cable, Universal Serial Bus. 11. LAN stands for Large Area Network, Logical Area Network, Local Area Network, Long Area Network. The full form of LAN is Local Area Network. 12. What does GUI stands for? A. General User Interface. B. Graphical User Interface. C. Graphical Unified Interface. D. Grid User Interface. The correct answer is B. Graphical User Interface. 13. OS stands for Output System, Online Software, Open System, Operating System. The convention OS stands for which is Operating System. BIOS stands for A. Binary Input Output System, B. Basic Internal Operating System, C. Basic Input Output System, D. Built-in Operating System. The correct answer is C. Basic Input Output System. BIOS in computer, which is the basic input output system. DVD stands for digital video disc, data visual disc, digital versatile disc, data video disc. The correct answer is digital versatile disc. DVD means. URL stands for Universal Resource Link, Uniform Resource Locator, Unified Resource Locator, Uniform Reference Link. The correct answer is B. Uniform Resource Locator. 17. FTP stands for File Transmission Process, Fast Transfer Protocol, File Transfer Protocol, Folder Transfer Protocol. The correct answer FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. IP stands for Interface Program, Internet Program, Internal Process, Input Protocol. The correct answer is B. Internet Protocol. 19. DNS stands for Digital Network System, Domain Network Service, Domain Name System, Data Name Server. DNS in networking stands for Domain Name System. ISP stands for Internet Software Provider, B. Information System Provider, C. Internal Service Program, D. Internet Service Provider. D is the correct answer. ISPA stands for Internet Service Provider. 21. HTML stands for A. Hypertext Markup Language, B. High Text Machine Language, C. Hyper Transfer Mark Language, D. Hypertext Mark Language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. SQL stands for A. Structured Question Language, B. Sequential Query Language, D. Structured Query Language, C. Structured Query Language, C. System Query Language. The correct answer is Structured Query Language. 23. DBMS stands for A. Database Management System, B. Data Backup Management System, C. Database Machine Software, D. Database Main System. DBMS stands for Database Management System. 24. PDF stands for Personal Document File, B. Print Data Format, C. Portable Document Format, D. Public Data File. The correct answer is C. Portable Document Format. 25. JPG stands for A. Java Picture Group, B. Joint Picture Group, C. Joint Photographic Group, D. Joint Photographics. JPG stands for Joint Photographic Group. AI stands for Automated Interface, Artificial Intelligence, Advanced Internet, Applied Information. AI commonly, which is Artificial Intelligence. 27. IoT stands for Internet of Things. C is the correct answer. 28. VPN stands for, the full form of VPN is Virtual Private Network. 29. API stands for API, which is Application Program Interface. 30. CLI stands for CLI, Command Line Interface. 31. UPS stands for Uninterruptible Power Supply. UPS means Uninterruptible Power Supply, which is the long form of UPS. TCP stands for a Transmission Control Protocol. 33. UDP. The full form of UDP is User Datagram. User Datagram Protocol. Sorry, the correct answer is D. There is an error. User Datagram Protocol. No. 34. POP stands for B. Post Office Protocol. 35. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display. 36. LED stands for B. Light Emitter Diode. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. What does DHCP stands for? DHCP, which is a protocol that used to dynamically assign IP address for the device in the network, which DHCP stands for the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. 40. What is the full form of SNMP? Simple Network Management Protocol. The full form of IMAP. A. Internet Mail Access Protocol. 42. What does RDP stands for? Remote Desktop Protocol. CDR. The full form of CDR is Compact Disk Recordable. 44. What does FQDN stands for? B. Fully Qualified Domain Name. What does SFTP stands for? Secure File Transfer Protocol, SFTP. What does JSON stands for? JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. What does BPS stands for? BPS stands for bit per second. What does DLP stands for? E. Data loss prevention. DLP stands for data loss prevention. What does XML stands for? Extensible Application Markup Language. What does OOP stands for? Object-oriented Programming. What does QoS stands for? QoS means Quality of Service. What does NIC stands for? NIC stands for Network Interface Card. What does SQLi stands for? SQLi stands for Structured Query Language Injection. 54. What does SSL stands for? A. Secure Socket Layer is the correct answer. What does CUI stands for? B. Command Line User Interface. What does Mbps stands for? Megabit per second. What does P2P stands for? P2P stands for peer-to-peer. What does VGA stands for? Video Graphics Array. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. What does NTP stands for? Network Time Protocol. What does JDK stands for? In Java Development Kit. 62. What does IT stands for? Information Technology. What does SDK stands for? Software Development Kit. What is the full form of UML? UML in software engineering, which is Unified Modeling Language. What is the full form of M2M? M2M, which is machine to machine. What does DDoS stands for? DDoS stands for Distributed Denial of Service, which is the name of the attackers, which floods the network. 67. What does RPC stands for? E. Remote Procedure Call. What does JVM stands for? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. What does SOAP stands for? A. Simple Object Access Protocol. What does DDL stands for? DDL stands for in database data definition language. That's used to define the structure of the database. What does DRAM stands for? In computer storage system, DRAM, which is Dynamic Random Access Memory. What does ODBC stands for? ODBC The full form of ODBC, which is Open Database Connectivity. What does VLAN stands for? LAN stands for Local Area Network, V which is virtual. The correct full form of VLAN is Virtual Local Area Network. 74. What does ACID stands for in Database Management System? ACID stands for in Database Management System Atomicity, Concurrency, Atomicity, Consistency, Isolation, and Durability is the correct answer. 75. What does I/O stands for? This indicates input-output. 76. What does BGP stands for? BGP stands for Border Gateway Protocol. What does GIG-O stands for? Garbage in, garbage out. 78. What does SRAM stands for? Static Random Access Memory. What does JDBC stands for? Java Database Connectivity is correct answer. 18. What does malware stands for? A. Malicious software. Malware means malicious software. 81. What does Java stands for? Java, the full form of Java is, which is just another virtual applications. 82. What does CD stands for? Compact disk. What does CSS stands for? CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. What does AJAX stands for? AJAX stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. What does CRUD stands for? In database system, CRUD means create, read, update, delete operations. 86. What does DVD stands for? DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disk. 87. What does MVC stands for? MVC means Model View Controller in Java and C# programming language, as well as mobile applications. What does ARP stands for? ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. The protocol that is used to change the MAC address and the reverse the MAC address and the IP address. What does MAC stands for? Media Access Control. What does UTP stands for? UTP stands for Unthreaded Twisted Pair Cable. What does ICMP stands for? ICMP stands for Internet Control Message Protocol. What does L2TP stands for? L2TP stands for Layer 2 Tunneling Protocol. What does IEEE stands for? IEEE stands for International Electrical and Electronics Engineer. What does MIMO stands for? MIMO stands for Multiple output. What is the full form of SRS? In software system, in the life cycle of software, SRS is Software Requirement Specification. 96. What is the full form of NPM? NPM, which is Node Package Manager. What does PHP stand for? PHP stands for Hypertext Processor. What is the full form of VoIP? The full form of VoIP is Voice over Internet Protocol. 100. What is the full form of SNS? The full form of SNS is Social Networking Service. What is the full form of SLDC? B. Software Development Life Cycle. What does RAM stand for? Random Access Memory. What does WLAN stand for? WLAN stands for Wireless Local Area Network. The last question, what does NAT stand for? The correct answer is B. Network Address Translation. That's all about today's video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and share your friends. Bye bye.